Hey guys. Oh, the mom life. So as you guys can see in the description, I am unboxing Chic Beauty Box. It's every other month. So I mean, I got mine in April, but everyone's been getting theirs in like March. So this is the March-April box, and then there's a May-June box. Every other month it's $34.99. You get high-end indie, drugstore, mostly makeup. Every now and again they'll pop in like some skincare every now and again, but not very much. But this is every other month, $34.99, and let's get into it. I'm excited. There's a lot of, here is the card here. Crap. It doesn't give, usually it gives out like the entire like total value of the box, but whatever, it's okay. Alright, so my first thing that I just grabbed is Rodin. It's a luxury lipstick. Ooh. Oleo Lusa, that's what it's like a very simple like packaging, super cute. I like the simplest products. That's different. So it's like a clear thing, and here is the lipstick. I like the color. Let's try it out. Oh George. Alright, and here is the color. It is a very nudie pink. I think it's very pretty. Let's try it on the lips. I just swatched it on the hand. It has like a weird smell to it. It's not like a normal, I feel like it's not really a normal lipstick. I've never heard of this company though either. I don't know, it's like a sheer lipstick. You guys know what I mean? I don't know. I don't think it's like a matte liquid, or a matte lipstick. Sorry. Apparently I cannot talk. Alright, my next thing is Milani. This is a really good drugstore product too. I like Milani. I have like an eyeshadow palette and concealer. That concealer though is like thick. Alright, so this is Moisture Look Grapeseed Oil Infused. Grapeseed? Oh, please don't make it smell like grape. Well, that's interesting. It's like a crooked, smells like grape. Not impressed, but I will give it a try. I was not about to put it on my lips. Alright, so, ooh, I actually been wanting to try this. This is the Maybelline Lasting Fix. It's a loose setting powder, all day matte finish. I have really been oily, so I'm like really excited to give this a try. It's just so quiet behind me. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm excited to give this a try. Honestly, a lot of setting powders do give like a really heavy look, and it, I don't know, it just, ooh. Okay, so, ooh, Huda Beauty. I love Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. Oh boy. I actually have a couple of their things. Oh, actually more than a couple, because I got an advent calendar. I think it was after Christmas, and it gave me a whole bunch of stuff. Plus also, I got their Naughty palette, which is really pretty. I like it. Ooh, I like that. It's like a really nice pink, like Nice pink nude color. I like that. Very pretty. Let me see what this is called. I don't know. Oh, Gossip Girl. Gossip Girl. Okay. And it is also long lasting. It took me a minute to, or a second to like actually get that off my hand. Alright, and the last thing I see in here, I'm excited because I'm obsessed with some palettes here. This is the NARS Hyped eyeshadow palette, and it is super cute. I love eyeshadow palettes, you guys, like you have no idea. Like obsessed. Love it. Okay, so still. Ooh, look at the packaging. I love it. Oh my gosh, guys. I'm excited. Oh, look at the colors. Aren't they pretty? Let's swatch a couple. Ooh, and their shade. I have never, I mean, I've purchased Huda Beauty, but I never really purchased like any like NARS. But I always like complained about how like NARS is so expensive, but the thing is, so is Huda Beauty. So I don't know. I should just be like, your girl just bought some Huda Beauty. You should be able to purchase some NARS. So here's some colors that I picked out. Super pretty. I really like this shade right here. So pigmented. I'm excited to give this palette a try. I'll probably be doing like a some try-ons tomorrow, so maybe some of the products that I got today, I'm definitely going to try to do like a whole like try-on with these. So I'm really excited to give that a try. I mean, obviously I did put on the lip, and it's not bad. I just I'll go through it and I won't purchase it again or I won't get it again. Alright, you guys, that is it for this unboxing. So please, if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I would love to help you all out. If you guys are interested in this type of subscription, I will post my Chic Beauty Box link. I don't think I earn anything, maybe some points or something, but I think there's a link. I think I have a link. I don't know. I'll have to look. But I'll let you guys check that out, and I hope you all enjoy it. Hit that like button, and you all will see me in a little bit. Alright, bye guys.